Volusia County's best kept secret is located near Blue Springs State Park. For $10 a day, Florida Dive Company allows you to rent tubes and enjoy a whole day on the water. Their rental process is so simple, and they even have an online booking system. Besides river tubes, they have paddleboard and kayak rentals as well. If you didn't book online in advance, that's totally okay, and you can just walk right into the shop. Their inside store has everything you need. They carry reef-safe sunscreen, dry bags, and protective gear for your phone. It's super important that you remember to bring your own tie-down straps to transport your river rental because Florida Dive Company does not transport them for you. Florida is so beautiful, and there are so many local springs where you can enjoy your day on the water. It's super helpful that most parks have a bunch of signage all over the park that lead you exactly where you need to go and have all the rules you need to follow. I mean, look how beautiful this water is. It's absolutely stunning. There's so much wildlife and there's so much scenery all around you. I really liked these tubes because they have backrest and I was so comfortable the whole time. This was such an enjoyable experience, and Florida Dive Company has so much to offer. You have to check out this fun and affordable activity.